This is infrared. And we're in Sunset Park, Brooklyn, so you don't have to be. It's Monday, July 31st. A little shy of 7 p.m. Temperature, low 80s maybe. Feels like low 80s. We're at 36th Street stop of the D. N and R trains. So it's got a little bit of a lag in it. Unless there really is another D train in 1 minute. Why are we here? 1 block from the Sunset Park entrance of Greenwood Cemetery. But Greenwood Cemetery closes at 7 p.m. So, not that. We are going to go 1 block away to 36th Street between 3rd and 2nd Avenues. The location of the once a month Brooklyn Night Market. Something I didn't know existed until little over an hour ago. A subscriber, hint hint, a subscriber told me about this, that there is a night market in Industry City in Brooklyn. Now, for several years, there's been a Queens night market on Saturday nights during the summer at Flushing Meadows Park, at the Hall of Science, and for several years there's been a Bronx night market at Fordham Plaza in the Bronx. And according to the Brooklyn Night Market website, this is the 2nd year. They're coming back, or they've come back. And lest there be any doubt, that's the Gowanus Expressway, one of Robert Moses's many gifts to the city of New York. An expressway that he argued should be located above 3rd Avenue, where it is right now. I guess he argued successfully. But his argument was he would use the steel of the former 3rd Avenue elevated railroad and thereby save a lot of money on the construction of the Gowanus Expressway. On a separate walk, we'll walk the length of 3rd Avenue as it abuts the Gowanus Expressway. So roughly from 20th Street to 60th Street, 2 miles, and you can see how Robert Moses's widening of 3rd Avenue to construct the Gowanus Expressway resulted in what I call the Robert Moses Shave. Where on the east side of 3rd Avenue, we just shave the block by eliminating at least one row of row houses on each block. You'll see. You'll see. So, Industry City, I guess, is its own neighborhood within the larger geographically defined neighborhood of Sunset Park, which itself is, you know, a little bit amorphous. And so here it is, Brooklyn Night Market, July 31st, because it's held in Brooklyn on the last Monday of each month. And July 31st July is one of those months where the 31st is the last day. There was supposed to be some humor in there somewhere. Industry City for decades. For the 50 plus years that I've lived in this area, that is, can you believe, only 1 block long? How long did it take us to get through there? What, like 7 minutes? Anyway, we're now at 36th Street and 2nd Avenue, and we will not video our walk back through there, and we're not even going to go back through there, through the once a month on the last Monday during the summer, the warm weather months, fall. The Brooklyn Night Market with the beloved Gowanus Expressway in the background, and the remnants of when freight railroads or railroad freight used to flow down 2nd Avenue in Sunset Park. You can see more examples of the type of building that comprises Industry City. And oh, look at that. So and speaking of beloved institutions, the last building you can see on the right, just beyond the red building, is a federal prison, the part of the Metropolitan Federal Prison. And I don't know if it's still here, but also in Industry City, it is not only several city bike stations like this one right over here, but it's city bike headquarters as well. This is infrared, and this is what you've been watching.